Welcome back once again to Mommy Sion. My name is Chioma, and today I'm going to be making this beautiful sausage bread rolls, and I'm going to be using eggs, as you can see, which is a good source of protein for children. And I'm going to be adding beans flour, which is another source of protein for children. So we are using two different sources of protein to make this sausage bread roll a nutritious food for the kids. So if this is something that you like to see me do, please sit back, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Mommy Sion and also smash the like button, give me a thumbs up and support the channel to grow. So I'm going to be using Frankfurter sausages. As you can see, I'm going to put it in the pot and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to just drain it off and allow it to cool. So I'm going to get on with my bread, and these are fresh bread. It's always good to use fresh bread, which is soft. It helps very well to get it flattened when we start doing that. And what I'm going to do is to cut off the bags first. I'm going to cut the crust. Yeah, that's the crust. And I don't throw it away. You can check my video. I'll put the link in the description box for what I do with my crust, because it's really another thing to use for your kids' meal. So heading on, I'm going to use my rolling pin to flatten the bread. Try as much as possible to flatten it as much as you can. I'm just going ahead to roll all of that now. The next thing I'm going to do is to crack the eggs into a plate and then add a little bit of herb to it. You can add any other spice that you want. I just added a little bit of thyme here. And then I'm going to also put the beans flour in a plate, just getting everything ready. And then here I've got my sauces. You can use any sauce that you want. Here is barbecue sauce and ketchup. Apart from that, you can also use butter. Here is butter. You can also use mayonnaise. Depends on your child's preference. And I'm going to also add some cheese to some of them. So all I'm going to do is to spread some sauce on my flattened bread and then put the sausage. The sausage is already cooled down, and then roll it up. I just put a mark on this so that I will know which one is ketchup and which one is barbecue sauce. Otherwise, I'm going to mix everything all up. So that's what I'm doing now. Just put the sauce, put the sausages, roll it up, put some little on the edge to hold the roll together, and that's it. So, and then here I'm using butter, and then I'm adding some cheese. So it's all up to you. You can just make it personal. You can personalize it to your child's taste, and then use the butter as well to just keep it in place. Yeah, that's it. And then I go into the next step, which is to add the protein to it. I'm taking away the one with the butter and the cheese away because my children do not like melted cheese, but you can actually do the same thing that I'm doing now with those ones. It's all up to you. So you can see this recipe is something that the kids can have like this without adding the egg and the beans flour, but adding that egg and the beans flour gives it an added nutrition, which I'm sure you will love, and which I'm sure the children will also love. So it's all about rolling it in both of them, and then we've got our rolls here. So the next thing is to add some butter in my pan and then add my rolls to cook. You don't want to give your child raw egg, you know. try and turn it around to make sure that it is cooked all round. Our sausage bread roll is ready, and that's it. So once we finished, serve your sausage bread roll. You can serve it with anything you want. You can serve it alone. It's a good snack. It's a good lunchbox meal. It is also good with maybe porridge, pap, custard, tea, hot chocolate for the kids, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.